I'm here today at 2141 Detroit Terrace in Deltona, Florida, about halfway between Orlando and Daytona. This is 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,773 square feet. We do have 2 dogs present, 2 little pugs, cute little things, but right now they're unhappy with me. Mama's left them in my care, and they're in the bedroom. They're in their bedroom hiding out. So this is a little area that the owners have just to kind of sit and enjoy the shade. It's fully shaded, as you can see. Even have a little fan here, but it's really nice, especially in the evenings. You can sit out here and just enjoy life, and people walking by in the street cannot see you, or they won't even know you're here. But super, super nice. And then there's a little shed here. We'll show you more of that momentarily. There's parking here, double gate, fully fenced backyard. The fenced backyard has plenty of room for the side of the yard there has plenty of room for a vehicle, which they have a vehicle back there right now on the side. As we enter this front room here, tall ceilings, you'll see the dining area, front living area. I'm coming, kids. Let's go. We're gonna skip by this here. I'm gonna just take a peek into this room. Hey babies, hey babies, hey babies. Hey kids, there's the room. There's the room. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, sorry about that. Here's the bath. Guest bath. Okay, excellent shape. Again, notice these floors are run throughout the whole home here. Next bath. This has a concrete flooring here, painted concrete flooring. Okay, main living area. Nice tall ceilings, really warm feeling, warm colors in this beautiful home. Roof is newer, AC is newer, tankless hot water heater is newer. And this is the kitchen. I'm gonna zip back in there and you'll see where I just came from. There's that dining area and the front door we just looked at. Okay, there's the washer and dryer, take you out to the garage. Appliances, the dishwasher, and range and microwave, I believe, are all done in 22 or 23. That's the refrigerator, I believe, is 6 years old. Let's go take a look at the large 14 by 16 bedroom, primary suite here. Large walk-in closet behind those doors. And then I'm going to take you out to the bath here. Walk-in shower, single vanity, really large, good lighting in there. There's another light with a fan there, shows a little better. Now we're gonna head out. I'm trying to do everything I can to avoid some of these mirrors in here. They've got a good bit of them, so it's tricky for me. So let's head out back, take a look at the backyard. The sellers had planned to make some changes back here, some upgrades. Circumstances have happened and they've just been unable to get it. But there's the fencing to repair the wood. I don't know if they're going to redo that or not. There's the back. You see they got a truck parked here. And we're just going to kind of zip back here. Water softener, air compressor does not convey. Little shed area with a sliding barn door. And there's a workshop, super nice little workshop, air conditioning unit, electric in there. Fan to work outside, fully fenced. And that's it for our tour. Thanks for watching.